Most nutrition strategies are built for ideal conditions. But for many people, ideal conditions aren't reality because real life doesn't always include a stocked kitchen or a nearby grocery store. It might look like long drives, busy schedules, limited options, or living where fresh food just isn't easy to access. And that's where traditional nutrition advice falls short. You're told what to eat, but not what to do when those options aren't available. So instead of assuming ideal conditions, we built something different. Fuel Anywhere is designed for real life, helping you make smarter choices with whatever is in front of you. Inside the course, you'll learn a simple formula to help you build steady energy almost anywhere, from gas stations and convenience stores to fast food menus and hotel rooms. You'll learn how to spot better options, pair foods effectively, and fuel your body without overthinking it. No perfection, no judgment. Just practical strategies that work. Because it's not about having perfect choices. It's about knowing how to use the choices you have. And when you can do that, everything changes. Start making your environment work for you